Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for all Roblox players who want to maintain their privacy. With the recent updates, you might be wondering how to prevent the Roblox app from accessing your microphone on PC. Let's get started. First things first, grab your Windows keyboard. You'll want to press the Windows key, which will bring up the Start menu. From here, look for the Settings option and click on it. This will take you to a world of customization for your PC. Next, we need to focus on privacy. Once you're in the Settings window, scroll down until you find Privacy and Security. Click on that option to access a variety of settings designed to keep your personal information safe. Now, here comes the key part, Microphone Settings. In the Privacy and Security menu, you'll see a tab labeled Microphone. Click on it to view and manage which apps can access your microphone. Finally, locate the Roblox app in the list that appears. You'll notice a toggle switch next to it. Simply click on that switch to disable microphone access for Roblox. This step is essential for ensuring that your microphone remains off while you're gaming, keeping unwanted access at bay. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully prevented the Roblox app from using your microphone on PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates. Keep gaming safely, and we'll see you in the next video.